DJ Gumption, yeah. DJ Gumption, see it clear. Glass bottom board. It's pressure but spine. I'm feeling fine, so I'm gonna have a nice time, chilling with some friends of mine. See it clear in the lovely sunshine. Oh yeah, I'm feeling fine, so I'm gonna have a nice time. See it clear in the lovely sunshine. Ain't nothing gonna stress my mind. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's Friday and I just got paid. Worked hard, now what time we go play. Whole a fresh, then me link up ready. Spend some cash and me no feel no way. Sound string up, we a dance till a morning. Me nah left, even when me tired and yawning. Pull up selector that the people them ballin'. The tune you a play, the tongues a beat the wall in. Right and now me a enjoy my life. Dogs them come out and left them guns and knife. Promoter smile and the dance get nice. DJ Gumption the people like. I'm feeling fine, so I'm gonna have a nice time, chilling with some friends of mine. Ain't nothing gonna stress my mind. Whoa yeah, I'm feeling fine, so I'm gonna have a nice time. See it clear in the lovely sunshine. Ain't nothing gonna stress my mind. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dance done and now me gone on the beach. Glad to see the whole of my friend them reach. Gumption bring in two brand new jet ski. And the bikers them a wheelie and bust out in the street. Me want know that girl in a Brazilian two-piece. Me and said she a tourist but come from Middle East. The fragrance from the thing but me about this smell sweet. My friend Gumption give me some Bruce wine for me. Enjoy life, it's your life. Only happiness alone can cure life. It's your life, so love life. Never will I put nothing above life. Your life, so love life. Only happiness alone can cure.
The lemurs are so majestic, so gentle, and yet so endangered. And it's important for all of us as human beings to do the best we can to try to help save a species that is, being endangered. When you agree to do the Gumption Snicker Tour, you're basically saying, yes, I want to go ahead and save the lemur. I want to save a species. So to everyone that had taken a tour or on the tour with us, on behalf of myself, Richard, staff, and Virgin, we would like to say thank you for doing your part.
DJ Gumption, see it clear, pressure but spine.